The main feature of seasonal tokens is that the relative prices of the four tokens are engineered to oscillate around each other over the course of years. Traders can take advantage of these predictable oscillations and increase the total number of tokens they own. The trading simulator on the Seasonal Tokens website illustrates how this works. The average price of the tokens is kept at 1 cent during the whole experiment, so that all the profits come from trading tokens for more tokens only. You start with 1,000 tokens of each type. So your initial investment is worth $40. Your task is to get as many tokens as you can in the next 10 years. Following a simple rule, trade tokens for more tokens. So let's start trading. The first thing we want to do is to trade the most expensive token for the cheapest one. 1,000 winter tokens give us 1,600 spring tokens. Now we have a total of 2,600 spring tokens. When spring becomes the most expensive of the four, we can exchange spring for summer. Then wait until summer is the most expensive and trade it for autumn tokens. Because we know that autumn tokens will be the most expensive one day. And then we can trade them for winter tokens. After 3 years, spring will be the most expensive of the four tokens again. Let's pause the simulation for a while. After a full cycle, our investment is worth $222. That is 5.55 times our initial investment. A 555% growth in 3 years. And that comes from trading only. Because the average price of the tokens is kept at 1 cent. If we fast forward the 10 years, always trading tokens for more tokens we get. Our investment is worth $10,290. That is almost 26,000% increase in 10 years. That is a totally insane number. But this is a simulation. Can we do this in the real world? For this and other important questions, please follow the frequently asked questions link in the description of this video.